Hi, it's Diane Hayworth. I'm here with my good friend Sherry Goodwin. We're here to tell you about a virtual workshop that we're hosting in a series that we have called Heart Centered Leadership for the Curious Soul.
I'm so excited to be able to work with you on this, Diane. It's a great collaboration all around this heart-centered leadership concept. And we're going to be doing a virtual workshop, and it is called How to Ground Your Energy for More Clarity, Impact, and Joy. And for anyone who's been working with Diane or me or both of us for years, you know we are all over this stuff. Grounding is so important to keep you present and aware, get rid of those judgies that we have all the time about things, and allow you to focus and figure out, what's the best action I can take? Because when you're not grounded, you can't even see all of those options. And I know, Diane, you and I have been working with folks for years in a variety of capacities, me mostly with business folks, trying to get grounded, trying to not get triggered by environmental situations or toxic people in the environment or family members even, or anything else. And in this workshop, we are going to share our top techniques and tools that we use ourselves with you. And then we're going to be able to practice with you. So really looking forward to this.
What I really love too is that we have deliberately chosen exercise that incorporate mind, body, and spirit. And I promise you, this is what we use in our own lives, in our own businesses. It's what we share with others. It's the grounding techniques that are keeping us sane right now. And that's why we're called to share them with you. So I'm going to ask you right now, click the button below, find out more, and we'll look forward to seeing you then.